Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Singer Smart TV step by step. First, make sure your Singer Smart TV is powered on and responding to the remote. If the Singer Smart TV remote isn't responding, press any button while pointing directly at the sensor. Now move closer to the Singer Smart TV to avoid signal issues. Press the home button on your Singer Smart TV remote to open the main menu. Navigate through the menu on your Singer Smart TV using the arrow keys. Scroll down to the Settings option on your Singer Smart TV. Select Settings and wait for the Singer Smart TV menu to load fully. Look for the Device Preferences section on your Singer Smart TV. Select Device Preferences to continue resetting your Singer Smart TV. Scroll to the bottom and find the Reset option on your Singer Smart TV. Choose Reset and confirm the selection on your Singer Smart TV. Your Singer Smart TV will now ask if you want to erase everything. Select Erase Everything to begin the factory reset on your Singer Smart TV. If your Singer Smart TV freezes, hold the power button on the remote. Keep holding until the Singer Smart TV fully powers off. Wait a few seconds before powering on your Singer Smart TV again. When the logo appears, release the button to boot your Singer Smart TV normally. If the menu doesn't respond, unplug the Singer Smart TV from the wall. Keep the Singer Smart TV unplugged for a full 60 seconds. Plug the Singer Smart TV back in firmly, and ensure the cable is secure. Turn on the Singer Smart TV using the remote. If the Singer Smart TV still lags, try resetting from the physical buttons. Locate the small reset pinhole on the back of your Singer Smart TV. Insert a pin and hold the reset button on the Singer Smart TV for 10 seconds. Release the pin and wait for the Singer Smart TV to restart. If no pinhole is available, use the power button on your Singer Smart TV panel. Hold the power button on your Singer Smart TV until the reboot starts. Keep holding until you see the boot logo on the Singer Smart TV screen. When the Singer Smart TV restarts, try accessing the Settings menu again. Open Device Preferences on your Singer Smart TV once more. Select Reset to begin the full reset process on your Singer Smart TV. Confirm Erase Everything on your Singer Smart TV to proceed. The Singer Smart TV will now reboot and begin wiping data. Do not unplug the Singer Smart TV during this process. Wait while the Singer Smart TV completes the reset cycle. When the setup screen appears, your Singer Smart TV reset is successful. Begin the setup wizard on your newly reset Singer Smart TV. Connect your Singer Smart TV to Wi-Fi using your network. Sign into your Google account on the Singer Smart TV. Continue through the setup steps shown on your Singer Smart TV. Check picture settings on your Singer Smart TV for best results. Adjust sound settings on your Singer Smart TV if needed. Install your favorite apps again on your Singer Smart TV. Test video playback to confirm your Singer Smart TV works normally. If the Singer Smart TV still has issues, consider updating software. Go to About in Settings and check for updates on your Singer Smart TV. Install the latest update to improve stability on your Singer Smart TV. After updating, restart your Singer Smart TV one more time. Your Singer Smart TV should now be fully reset and working smoothly.